Hey everyone, it's me Sabir, and this video is about content outline with the help of AI. So in the previous video, I have talked about how you can create outline on the basis of keyword research you have done, and I just shared the manual process. And of course, you can also do it with the help of AI. You can use ChatGPT, Google Bard, or Gemini. So let's jump into practical and let's see how we can create outline. Again, I will just give you the idea and it's depend upon you how you can adopt the things and change according to your style or according to your need. So this is a chat GPT and this is a paid one right now I have opened. So I'll just want to play with chat GPT for the sake of creation content outline. So for example, I just want to say I have a business of dentist and Solihul. All right, and this is also my main keyword that I want to target on the home page. Now I want you to create content outline for the home page based on this keyword, dentist in Solihul. And now he will just give you the idea what you need to include in your home page and what should be the outline. Okay, so he said homepage content outline for dentist in Solihul. So first he talked about header and then hero section, high quality image, and then heading and short introduction of welcome message and call to action, and then about us, our services, why choose us, gallery, patient resources, contact us, and then he also gives the idea about SEO. So again, with the help of this, I got another idea how we should create outline or make changes in the existing outline. So this isn't about perfection. The idea is about keep exploring the things until you get the right one. And based on your knowledge and based on your experience, you can change the things according to your own way. So whatever you think will work for you. So again, I do not need for the whole homepage. I just want you to create a heading outline homepage. I just first want to create a heading outline based on SEO. Again, the main keyword is dentist and Solihul. So let's see what we can find. So again, I find ideas what we can include in the existing outline. So he said, welcome to your trusted dentist in Solihull. And the H1 is comprehensive dental services in Solihull. Meet our Solihull dentist and why choose us for your dental care in Solihull. Our patient testimonial, book your appointment online with our Solihull dentist, your dental health partner in Solihull. Again, you can pick this uh, all the headings and you can include the variation um, that you have in your sheet. So as I said, it's about idea and it's about you, how you can use AI and the manual process to create a perfect outline. Okay, so let's play with it more. So I just need you to um, include some keyword variation in the headings you have suggested above. Dentist and Solho, okay. Okay, so he did it according to the prompt. So that way you can explore ChatGPT. And now let's play with Gemini. I have also the paid version. You can use the free one as well. So we we own a local business dentist in Solihull, and I want to create homepage content, but first I want you to create content outline for the homepage. My main keyword is dentist in Solihull. So he suggests according to the prompt. The thing I like here is he said embed a small Google map of your location and appointment requested button request appointment. So it is also a good thing, and you also give instructions to the footer. And let's say I want you to just mm, create content outline based on SEO. I need just headings. I do not need extra for header and footer. Make sure to include keyword plus variations. So now he did it. Dentist in Solihull, your business. Welcome to your trusted Solihull dentist. Again, services in age 3. Why choose our patient testimonials? Book your appointment with a Solihull dentist today. So that way you can use AI and create content outline. Again, the point is this isn't about perfection. The idea is just keep exploring the things until you find the right idea. So I hope you get the idea what I'm talking about and what is the main idea of this sharing video. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video.